Hi, everybody. I hope everyone is well. Mother's Day is coming up. For some, I know it may find you in a solemn mood, but for the most part, I just wanted to finally get some gift ideas out for the holiday for once and get it out on time enough for someone to maybe take advantage of some of the ideas that I had. That being said, you guys, some of the footage I have and some I don't. Some of it is pretty self-explanatory, but my apologies because I did lose some of my footage of me videotaping my projects. So I hope you like. This was so good, you guys. My daughter made some seafood chowder and homemade biscuits. Yum, yum. What do you guys think so far? So when I make my jewelry, I make it with, obviously, most people do. In mine, I usually ask the recipients a couple of questions just so I can get a feel. Now, that being said, you guys, I was making jewelry for like 10, 11 people. So I had to get with it because I really finally, once and for all, wanted to share in time to give ideas for Mother's Day. That being said, you guys, some projects I do around the house often, and I'm not able to always capture it. It would help a great deal if I had simply 50 subscribers. You can then post lives via your other smart devices, but they will not allow you to do lives via those other smart devices other than your computer unless you have at least 50 subscribers. So if you guys would be so kind viewing my video, I see that most of my audience is not in the US of A. So if you'd be so kind, please subscribe, and then I am able to share all of these other side projects that I do, you guys. It's not easy bringing a computer in certain rooms that I am in. That being said, I'd like to just say thank you for your time. I really, really believe this wholeheartedly, you guys. It is non-refundable. We know that, so it's very important to me that you take a little moment out of your time to watch my videos. You guys stay safe and healthy as possible. And as always, be blessed in whatever capacity you recognize yourself to be blessed. Be blessed. Bye-bye. Wait, the video's not done. I just don't want to talk anymore. Finish watching the video. Bye bye.